we wandered into Leeming Bar from the campsite, we stumbled across this wonderful little railway station. From the outside, it almost looks forgotten by time, with weathered brickwork and faded paint telling the story of nearly 2 centuries of history. But appearances can be deceiving. Originally opened in 1848, Leeming Bar became an important stop on the line connecting North Allerton with Wensleydale. Today, it's part of a beautifully preserved Wensleydale Railway where volunteers have brought the station back to life. Even before stepping inside, we were transported back in time. Vintage advertisements lined the walls, from Sunlight soap to Cadbury's chocolate, each one carefully chosen to recreate the atmosphere of a country station from almost 100 years ago. Old luggage trolley, milk churn, and heavy leather suitcases remind us of a time when the railway wasn't just for passengers. It carried parcels, post, and everyday life between towns and villages. Stepping through the door felt like walking onto a film set, except everything here has been lovingly recreated using genuine railway memorabilia. Every shelf, every poster, and every little detail helps tell the story of what station life once looked like. This room recreates the old parcels office, where tickets were sold, parcels recorded, and messages passed between stations long before computers or mobile phones. The volunteers behind Leeming Bar Station have done an incredible job preserving its history, even receiving a National Railway Heritage Award in recognition of their work. I could have spent hours in here. Everywhere I looked, there was another fascinating detail. Old railway tickets, parcel slip, photographs, stamps, lots of history in a tiny space. And this beautiful old cash register that completely caught my eye. This place, celebrating railway pioneers like George Stephenson, reminds us just how revolutionary Britain's railways once were, changing the way people travelled forever. And then this little corner, piles of old suitcases stacked one on top of another. It honestly felt like a scene straight out of a Harry Potter film. The waiting room has been carefully restored, complete with traditional benches, vintage posters, and luggage waiting patiently for a train that may never arrive. Places like this are easy to drive past without a second glance, but they are often the places that leave the biggest impression. If you are staying nearby Leeming Bar Station, it's well worth an hour of your time.